I guess we better get some food. Pretty good reasons, aren't they? Listen to that. I am starving. And I certainly can't think straight with all this noise. Not to mention hunger. Oh, who should go with me?
Say there, best friend. Is that a yes?
It's for the ticket.
No, no, no! Allow us to treat you to dinner.